Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. You won't believe what this frosting's made from. It starts with a roux, flour. Here, I'll show you. Half a cup of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt. So you take all your dried ingredients and then you add 1.5 cups of milk. And then on low heat, medium to low heat, mix all your ingredients together. So you want to stir constantly on medium heat. That'll keep all the liquid moving and help prevent the bottom from scorching. And in the corners of the pan, make sure you're constantly getting in there too. When you bring your spoon through it and it leaves a distinct path, that's when it's ready. And we're getting there. You don't want to take it off too soon because then your frosting will be runny. The idea is that you're cooking the flour and the milk together. All right, there we go. And then you're going to cover it with plastic wrap. And make sure it touches the top so a skin doesn't form. And then let it come down to room temperature. Now I cheat a little bit when it comes to cooling things down. I use meltless ice cubes. It's just, and you can put it in the refrigerator too, but make sure it doesn't get colder than the butter that we're going to mix it into. Those two have to be the same temperature. And stick around to the end. I'm going to show you the secret on how to get this frosting and any frosting to be super white. Next, you want to take your butter and cream that until it's light and fluffy. Cream together 5 to 7 minutes. And now that our roux has come to room temperature, the same temperature as the butter, we're going to whip it into the butter 1 tablespoon at a time. And then at the very end, add a tablespoon of vanilla. And here's how to get any frosting super, 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 super white. It's purple. Purple food gel. You take just a little tiny bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.